Movie enthusiasts, before we dive into today's Kuala Lumpur bar crawl / speakeasy adventure, can you guess the name of the movie depicted in this captivating mural on a wall of the enchanting alley that I am about to show you? The answer awaits you at the end of the video. So here I am, a certified night owl, and late night caffeine intake doesn't quite help with that either. But I also have a very dangerously but delightful case of FOMO. Yes, FOMO is often my co-pilot. I am embarking on a solo bar crawl as soon as the wife and kids surrendered to dreamland at around 10 p.m. that night. Backstory: so we passed by this alley earlier that afternoon during a food tour. Make sure to check it out. The link should be somewhere over there. So at this alley, the vibes were present, the intrigue palpable, but the clock was ticking and the nightfall was casting its shadow, and my 3-year-old was beginning to show grumpy werewolf-like attributes. Duty called, so I bid adieu to the magical Kwai Chai Hong alley, promising to return once the wife and kid were safely tucked into bed. Chugged a double espresso and stepped back out to explore this enchanting block all on my own. Originally an area with rich Chinese cultural heritage, Kwai Chai Hong is now a bustling hotspot, seamlessly blending the past and the present. The restoration efforts have preserved the essence of its storied past with colorful murals and intricate architecture that tell tales of the bygone eras. Here, cocktails flow freely, music pops with rhythm, and check this, jaw-dropping murals come to life without any tech wizardry. These murals not only add vibrancy and charm to the alley, but also serve as a visual narrative of the area's history. In addition to the murals, Kwai Chai Hong is adorned with various decorative elements, antique props, and old-fashioned signboards that further immerse visitors in a nostalgic atmosphere reminiscent of the past. Kwai Chai Hong loosely translates into Little Ghost Lane in Chinese, and is a small, restored alleyway located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is situated near the bustling Petaling Street, blocks away from the burger place in my last Kuala Lumpur food tour video.
My friend, how you doing?
It's free to enter the area, and their hours are 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. daily, but that can change, I think, just depending on traffic and when the bars want to shut down a little bit earlier. Bar scene at Kwai Chai Hong is unique and captivating. Several trendy bars and speakeasies have taken residence in the quaint shop houses, creating an ambiance that seamlessly blends the past with modernity, while offering some inventive mixology at the same time. These bars that I visited carefully preserve the traditional architecture and atmosphere of the area while offering contemporary beverages and entertainment. The bartenders were skilled alchemists, like wizards, I promise you. They concocted drinks that were not only visually appealing, but also a symphony of flavors. I chose not to jump around like a caffeinated squirrel, but actually took my time to soak up the ambiance at these bars, one at a time. As I explored these watering holes, I couldn't help but appreciate the attention to detail in both the design and beverage offerings. Now, keep in mind that Malaysia is a Muslim-majority country. The country permits the selling of alcohol to non-Muslims, but this non-Muslim line is very blurred, stricter in some places than others. Kwai Chai Hong's intimate setting fosters camaraderie amongst patrons, making it a fantastic place to meet people from all around the world and enjoy conversations with old and new friends. After the party, they might even take you to cool spots, like this taco stand across the street with a very memorable playlist. The bar scene here is not just about cocktails. It's a journey through time, a celebration of architectural heritage, and a testament to the evolving spirit of Kuala Lumpur's nightlife and diversity. So, don't rush, take your time, let the atmosphere seep into your soul, and you should savor every sip in this captivating blend of past and present. So back to that question we started this video with. What classic movie is depicted on that wall? Your answer is Kung Fu Hustle.